Trying to make sure last year's busing mess does not happen again this year. Big changes this week for kids in the Omaha Public School District.
3 News Now senior reporter Jake Wazakowski gets an in-depth look at what will be different for parents. He joins us now live. Jake?
Well, guys, more than 50% of schools across OPS were affected by the 2016 busing crisis. The district says they've been working on this plan for a couple of years now, and it should take care of any of those problems. OPS says they've listened to the parents, students, and teachers across the metro. In their largest initiative yet, the district is ready for the new student assignment plan. The new plan allows elementary students who live at least 1 mile from school to be eligible for transportation. Previously, it was 1.5 miles. They've also changed the zoning, so kids can only get a ride to their neighborhood school or one in their partner's zone. Eligibility is simpler. It relies on geographical locations and not financial situations. That will help them reduce the number of buses by 103 compared to last year and save the district more than $7 million.
One of the things that we'd heard from our community was that we were seeing buses with low ridership going across the city, and our partner plan makes it more efficient where we'll see increased ridership on our buses.
OPS says kids impacted by the zoning change has reduced from 3,800 to less than 1,600. But some students will have to ride a bus for longer and be at their stop by 6 a.m.
We have about 200 students who will see a ride time of over an hour, but most of our students will see ride times that are less.
I'm just hoping that they get there safely. I'm not sure where they'll be picked up at.
Amy Little-George is sending her daughter to Norris Middle School on the bus for the first time. She hopes the district follows through after hearing frustrating stories of children being picked up late or not at all last year.
I think any mother that has their child is going to worry for their safety and want them, especially if they have to leave for work, thinking that their child is going to get on the bus and then they'll have to take the time off work and go get the child.
The district also had bus routes planned out about 2 months early, and that's a lot longer than previously, which was about a couple of weeks. Now, Bryan High and Middle School, as well as Benson High and Monroe Middle School, could have their routes consolidated, but they haven't had to do that yet. And as you may know, OPS gets back to school on Thursday. Reporting live near 52nd and L, Jake Wazakowski, 3 News Now.
Omaha could take